What's up, Effortless investors, and welcome back to the channel. Is the stock market crashing? Are you wondering, should I sell my stocks? Should I buy more? Or just flat out panic? Let's get into it. For those that are unaware, a stock market crash happens when stock prices drop suddenly, causing fear and panic selling amongst most investors. But the truth is, you only lose money if you sell. It's about understanding the difference between realized and unrealized profits and losses. First off, don't panic. Markets go up and down, but historically, they recover over time. Selling during a panic locks in those unrealized losses. Secondly, if you're investing for the long run, stay the course. The best investors ride out the storm. Next, try to look at crashes as an opportunity. If you have the extra cash to invest, you can buy stocks and shares at a discount price. Remember, before you invest more, make sure you have an emergency fund. You don't want to be relying on stocks for non-essential expenses. And finally, tune out the noise. The news loves fear. So be one of the smart investors and remain calm and patient. Crashes can be scary, but with the right mindset, they're just part of the journey. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and share it with someone you think may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick investing tips, and I'll see you in the next video.